It's where you process information, form memories, experience emotions, and make decisions. It's the ultimate source of your creativity, your personality, and your dreams. Let's take a closer look inside the brain. It's not just one single mass. It's made up of several distinct regions, each with its own special job. The largest part is the cerebrum. This is the wrinkly outer layer you probably picture when you think of a brain. It's divided into two halves, the left and right hemispheres, which communicate with each other through a thick band of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. The cerebrum is responsible for higher-level functions like thought, language, and voluntary movement. It's further divided into four lobes. The frontal lobe, right at the front, is your personality and decision-making hub. It's involved in planning, problem-solving, and controlling voluntary movements. Next, the parietal lobe, located behind the frontal lobe, processes sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain. It helps you understand where your body is in space. It also plays a key role in memory. Finally, at the very back is the occipital lobe. Its primary job is to process visual information coming from your eyes. So everything you see is interpreted here. Tucked underneath the cerebrum is the cerebellum, which means little brain. Despite its size, it's incredibly important. It coordinates voluntary movements, posture, balance, and coordination. It's the unsung hero working 24/7 to keep you going without you ever having to think about it. Now let us move on to the second part of the central nervous system, the spinal cord. This is a long, thin, tubular bundle of nervous tissue that extends from the brainstem down the middle of your back, protected by the bony vertebrae of your spine. The spinal cord is the main information superhighway. It carries nerve signals from your brain to the rest of your body, and from your body back to your brain. But the spinal cord is more than just a relay station. It can also handle certain things on its own through what we call reflexes. Have you ever touched something sharp and pulled your hand away instantly, even before you felt the pain? That's a spinal reflex. The signal from your hand travels to the spinal cord, which immediately sends a command back to your muscles to contract and pull away. The message to the brain to register pain comes a split second later. This quick action loop protects you from harm before your brain even has time to process what's happening. So we've covered the CNS, the command center. But how does it communicate with the rest of the body? That's where the peripheral nervous system, or PNS, comes in. The PNS is everything else all, the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord and extend to every other part of your body, from your fingertips to your toes. Think of the PNS as the network of roads and cables connecting the command center to all the towns and houses. It's divided into two functional parts: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is the part you have conscious control over. It carries sensory information from your skin, muscles, and joints to the CNS, and it carries motor commands from the CNS to your skeletal muscles. When you decide to walk, pick up a book, or wave to a friend, your somatic nervous system is making it happen. It's the system of voluntary action. Now, for the really cool part, the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic sounds like automatic, and that's exactly what it is. This system controls all the involuntary functions of your body, the things you don't have to consciously think about. From the intricate thoughts that define your personality to the simple reflex of blinking, your nervous system is the master conductor of your body's orchestra. It's a testament to the sheer wonder of biology. So next time you take a breath, feel a cool breeze, or remember a happy memory, take a moment to appreciate the silent, tireless work of your nervous system. It's the intricate network that connects you to the world and makes you who you are. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into our body's command center.